This one stock can change early buyers' lives. This is not financial advice, but my research suggests it's a good idea to buy as much as possible before November 22nd. The company is a large company. It's Meta, and it's still early because they just got hit with a $15 billion income tax based on new legislation. So that hurt the earnings. The reaction was also pretty bad because they're spending so much on AI, both the actual GPUs and also the researchers who they're hiring from all of the other companies, including OpenAI. So all of that spend is scary for investors. The stock's down significantly, and it looks like there's an opportunity right now to get in before it starts to move up. Not financial advice, but I hope this helps.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
So here are the earnings for all the Mag 7. They've all reported. Apple, actually a little under 100 billion. Google crossed 100 billion for the first time. Nvidia is the end of earnings season for the big dogs, November 19th. Amazon just reported last week. Well, actually, that was now 2 weeks ago. And Tesla as well. So here are the reactions, right? Meta, this is the opportunity to buy. This gap down is pretty gnarly. On a 24-hour chart, you can see what it looked like. Pretty quick moves down. And it looks like it's bottoming. It's down a lot. And maybe you could say there's some sort of level going on here. But even if you just look here, it looks like some bottoming action. Could go lower, but there's an opportunity to buy with a quick risk level where it doesn't look as steep as it used to. So that's as far as what it just looks like. And this is actually what happened here. So this is the hit. A lot of AI hiring. They projected higher expenses. There's always been talk of a lot of bots clicking Meta ads. People keep paying for the ads, so they must be selling stuff to these bots if it's all bots. Jokes, right? Meta reported revenue of 50 billion, up 25% year over year. So about half of Google and Apple. If we look at the market caps for these companies, Meta market cap is 1.85 trillion, whereas Apple 3.82 trillion, Google 3 trillion, Amazon, I'm just going to do all of them now here, 2.3 trillion, Tesla, this is the Mag 7, 1.44 trillion, so below Meta, and Microsoft, 3.85 trillion. So Nvidia, of course, the largest, near that 5 trillion number. So here's the deal. The growth story is AI for them, but unfortunately, this tax hit really made this earnings per share bad, right? $1 versus $6. And as we saw with other earnings reactions, Amazon, Earnings per share was higher. Big move up. 20% increase in cloud. Tesla, earnings per share did beat slightly. Took a second, but they're up. Apple, kind of a sell-off, but earnings share still beat, and they're holding. And if we look at Microsoft, this is the only story where it doesn't really make sense. They released info about their OpenAI deal, little more earnings per share, but that beat still was a sell-off reaction. So Meta, this tax hit definitely showed, and they've also got a little bit of an operating margin decrease. So they're spending a bunch not only on GPUs, infrastructure, but they also have been giving out these $100 million pay packages to AI researchers. And they're expected to spend $70 billion this year, which is a crazy amount for, this is the smallest of the Mag 7, except for Tesla. Tesla's not, but I mean, we can check, but I don't think Tesla, well, XAI is not even part of Tesla, although they are sometimes sharing the same infrastructure. 70 billion is a crazy amount, so we don't even have to really look at this. But this is the kind of money they're spending on XAI, right? Maybe 5 billion of debt, 5 billion of equity. So it's just not at all on the same scale. Sorry for hitting the microphone there. But what happened here is Meta tried to catch up in AI. They open sourced all their models. They really are caught up. It's just that it appears they're a little over their skis. Currently, they've done that before with the metaverse sort of initiative. And just like that was a huge run after that metaverse thing reversed, this could be a buy the dip opportunity as well. So if you like this idea, hit that like button. If you want a free course on how to buy stocks before they go up, hit that subscribe. And if you want help on your portfolio, head over to stockscommunity.com for $25 for 7 days.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.